Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use iPhone Calculator. The Calculator app on iPhone is a quick and convenient way to perform everyday calculations. Whether you're adding numbers, calculating percentage, or solving more complex equations, here's how you get started. First, open the Calculator app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, you can swipe down on the home screen and use the search feature to locate it. Now, to perform a basic calculation, simply tap the numbers and the mathematical operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So just choose any number, then click on the equals button to see the result. Now, if you go ahead and make a mistake when you're typing a number, tap the delete button in here to remove the last digit or clear the calculation and start over if needed. You can also calculate percentage by entering a number, for example, and tapping the percent button and then the equal sign. For more advanced calculation, just click on this calculator icon here on the bottom part and we're using the basic. You could choose scientific in here, wherein it includes additional functions like square roots, exponents, and trigonometric calculations. You could choose the math notes as well in here, wherein it helps you solve math, use variables, and you could use it in your notes app. And that is just basically it to using the calculator app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.